Hi everyone, welcome to Advanced RV Centers on YouTube here today. My name is Pat, and here we are out in beautiful Okeechobee, Florida. Advanced RV Center showing you a little variety, Class A, Class B, park models, fifth wheels. We do a little bit of everything. Anyways, we got a wonderful opportunity to present to you this excellent, well-maintained 2004 H345 by Marathon. Excellent piece. These Prevost buses here are built in my hometown, the chassis that is, Quebec, Canada. Very proud to say. Built for the harshest environments, and just they're known to withstand the test of time. These are million-mile coaches. Those of you that don't know, the quality and build on these things are second to none. They just don't compare. This is the ultimate class. Again, it's a 2004 Prevost H345 by Marathon. I'm gonna take you around this coach and tell you everything I know about it. I'm sure I'll miss some. I'm not an expert on them, but I do know a little bit about them. So let's get started. Here I want to just point out the excellent paint and body on this coach. And I do want to mention it was recently professionally detailed with ceramic coat with a 5-year warranty. It really made this coach stand tall. As you can see here, we have our patio awnings out, which are in great shape. This coach does have 2 passenger side awnings and 2 driver side awnings, which you'll see as we get over to that side here shortly. Here in your first storage compartment. So this is originally designed to store and transport a motorcycle, which you can see it has a loading ramp here. There's a winch there in the back to assist you in doing that. I also believe there is some golf carts that will fit in there with no roof. Really a big space there for storage. Second bay here is an outdoor kitchenette with a grill, griddle, and a couple of storage drawers. This is on a pneumatic slide that will come out about 6 feet or so. Let me see. I'll go ahead and put it out. And behind there you got room for additional chairs. There's additional flooring that matches the coach. If one were to crack or something were to happen, there's also the wood porcelain flooring that was updated. Loads of updates, lots of receipts, all the service records since it was new. Everything's recently been serviced. Your generator and engine, all the filters and oils recently serviced. This here is your KOHLER 20 kW diesel generator. What are the hours on this thing? 1,271 hours. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the coach only has 128,000 miles. It's just begun at 128. So here you have freezer, refrigerator, outdoor entertainment there. There's your plumbing bay, very well laid out. You got a 110 volt water pump along with 12 volt pump, pressure tank, so water pressure is not an issue. coach shows very, very nice. Beautiful full body paint scheme. Your nice earth tones, browns and tans. Always my favorite. Very neutral. Do I have the key for this? This is your chassis batteries. Chassis batteries are just a few months old. There's 4 chassis batteries in there. Those have been replaced. Let's show you where the magic happens. Bear with me one-handed here. There's your Detroit Series 60, 500 horsepower. Lots of good horsepower and torque out of that thing. So this is a 2-slide coach. As I was mentioning earlier, you have the driver's side awnings. They do not go out as far as the patio awnings, but it's sufficient to cover your slide boxes and create that extra shade for the late afternoon sun. This box has some different electrical circuits and controls, 12-volt circuitry. I left the key in the other door, bear with me. There is pictures of that on our ad. If you want to see any additional photos, you can go over to rvtrader.com, type in Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. It'll pull up all our current ads along with additional photos of this coach. I do want to mention the tires. The tires are a little out of date. I think the front and drive axle or the tags are good. I believe it needs 6 tires. We can, I'm sure we can negotiate past that or facilitate some new tires being put on it. Another storage box here. This is your 110 volt cabinet with all your high voltage breakers that control your inverters and ACs and anything 110 related. And I'll tell you, that ceramic coat really did make it pop. 5-year warranty on the ceramic coat, like I mentioned. The guys, Viper Detailing in Lakeland, Florida, they really came through and did a spectacular job. And here's just the other side of that first storage bay, and then see there where your outdoor kitchen is. All the wheels were nicely polished while it was there. So your relay boards and additional 12-volt circuitry. So there's no fogged windows on the coach. It's really standing tall, I'll tell you. Somebody's gonna get a beautiful ride here. So I had personally the opportunity to drive this coach a few hundred miles, and there's not a bit of wind noise, not a rattle, not a vibration. Quite a pleasure to drive. Let's go ahead and take you inside here. After we take our shoes off, please remove shoes. All your leather upholstery is in great shape, no rips or tears. Dashboard, I mean, this thing's a 2004, guys, and what's that make it? 22 years old? With only 128,000 miles. I mean, nice air ride seat here in the cockpit. I really enjoy driving these, how you're so close to the windshield. It's such an incredible experience. I feel like I could just cross the country every time I get in one of these with no questions asked. So you got 4 rooftop ACs. There's no bus air. Very efficient. nice and cool. So the carpet was removed and replaced with this nice ceramic simulated wood. You got a L-shaped couch here that does have a sleeper in it. So all your blinds are, and lighting and different controls are controlled through this Crestron system. This little L-shaped dinette matches the couch. Your Samsung television. Across from that, you're going to have your kitchen here with your convection microwave. You got a dishwashing machine down low. Beautiful Corian countertops in great shape. Nice big GE residential refrigerator with a basement freezer. Here's our vanity with a nice tall shower. Beautiful granite inlays that match the floor. This is our water closet. Moving along towards the master bedroom here, to your left is your stack washer and dryer by Bosch. All electric blinds here in the master bedroom. Nice king size bed. It's very clean, no foul odors, no pets, no smoking. It's been well taken care of, guys. I got to tell you, we have all the maintenance records. There was thousands of dollars spent keeping this thing in the shape it's in. If you're looking for a 2004 H345, it's definitely going to be one you want to put on your list. And I'd love to show it to you. I'm just very excited to have this on the lot. And I want to thank you for watching. Again, my name's Pat with Advanced RV Centers here in Okeechobee, Florida. Feel free to reach out with any questions. 561-719-9774. Talk to you soon.